Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your TikTok notifications or activity on TikTok. So if you got too many TikTok notifications piling up, this is how you can delete them all fast and clean up your activity feed in just a few taps. So you can just open the TikTok application. So once the TikTok is open, actually there are two methods that you can do to delete all of your notification or activity on TikTok. The first one, you can tap on the inbox at the bottom in here and you'll see the activity options. So you can just tap on that activity and click on view all to see all of the activity on your TikTok, as you guys can see here. And now to delete all of this, you can also filter by clicking on this drop down. You can for example, you want to only delete the commands option, so you can just click on commands, and here the notifications of commands of on your TikTok will be appearing. So you can just long press on it and there will be these options pop up. You can just tap on delete and you can just repeat all of these steps until all of the notifications or activity is deleted. So actually TikTok doesn't have a delete all button for notifications, so you can just tap on individual notifications like this and then tap on delete. So you can just clear them by holding or swiping on some devices. If you want to clear your own activity, you can go to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top, settings and privacy, and just go to the activity center and choose the activity that you want to clear up. For example, you want to clear up watch history, add link history, search history. You can just choose which one. I'm going to delete search history, for example. Click on the options and tap on select, and in here you can see now if you want to delete your own activity, you can select all and you can delete all of them in bulk. Tap on delete and just like that it will be removed. You'll be remove all of the activity. And that's it. Now your TikTok's inbox is clean and under control, and also your activity. Like this if it helped, and subscribe for more quick TikTok fixes. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.